What's up guys, Okohola here, and today I bring you the new Moto series. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification to see the latest videos. While these are not high-end smartphones, they are all important ones for Motorola. The Moto G remains the best seller, and the company says it's the top seller worldwide in the price class. In the Moto G line we can find the Moto G6 and G6 Play. There will also be a G6 Plus model. G6 and the G6 Play are both good looking phones with curved edges on the back and comes with 18.9 body screens, with thin bezels on the front. The standard G6 model is the closest to a flagship smartphone. On the back we can find a really nice Gorilla Glass cover. The lighter G6 Play comes with 5.7-inch screen, but it has a noticeable drop in resolution to somewhere just over 720p. It doesn't look bad at all, but in comparison with G6 you can see a difference in less quality. G6 Play has a single 12-megapixel rear camera and comes with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. The base model has 2GB of RAM and 16GB of storage. The major highlight, like most of Motorola's Play series phones, is the large battery. In this case we have a 4000 mAh battery, which should last over a full day of usage. The G6 comes with better specs. It has the same dimensions, 5.7-inch screen, that's somewhere over 1080p resolution. It's powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 450 processor, has 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, or you can find a model with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. The Plus model is the only Motorola phone announced today to include USB-C port. On the front we can find a fingerprint sensor that can detect gestures and completely replace the Android control keys, freeing up even more screen space. It has a really pronounced effect on the 18.9 screen and looks great. On the G6 we find the dual rear cameras, which allow it to offer a portrait mode. They have the same fake blur and missed edges as other portrait mode's photos. Pictures came out better than I expected for something far from a flagship phone. At last we have the new Moto E models, the E5 Play and E5 Plus. The E line isn't as nice as the G line, but that's not the entire case when it comes to the E5 Plus. The E5 Plus comes with a 6-inch screen with a resolution somewhere over 720p and is powered by a Snapdragon 435 processor, has 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, and we can find a single 12-megapixel rear camera. On the back has a polymer glass cover. This model feels a bit rounder than the G6, but you will still want it for a big reason. It has a large battery that has 5000 mAh. The Moto E5 Play, it looks a lot like the older Moto E5 and the G phones, with that plastic body and 16.9 body screens, but it feels really nice in hand. The real weak point is the 5.2-inch screen, which is listed as HD. It also has a small battery for a Play phone, only 2800 mAh battery that is removable. The Motorola will selling all these phones sometime in the spring, likely in May or June. The G6 will have a start price of $249 and the G6 Play will sell it for $199 in the base configuration. At this moment we don't have a sale price for the E5 Play and Plus, but they likely will have a start price in the range of $100. The Moto G phones are launching globally, except the G6 Plus. The G6 Plus actually will come out sooner. Today is launching in Brazil and in Mexico next week. In the next feature we will see this model in Europe and likely will have a selling price around €299. The Moto E5 Play will launch globally, but the E5 Plus is only going to be available in the US. There is also a standard E5 model that comes with 5.7-inch screen and 80.9 body ratio that will have a selling price around €149. Okay guys, that is all for today. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification to see the latest videos. Well, till the next time, see you. Bye bye.